All right, you've got 100 seconds. Let's not waste a single one. You want a tech job in 2025? Good, because it's never been more possible and never been more competitive. So what are you going to do about it? Degrees? Nice, but not required. Bootcamp? Maybe. But what really matters? You. A keyboard, a brain, and a browser tab open to Google and GitHub. That's it. You want to stand out? Build something. Anything. A to-do list, a Chrome extension, a portfolio site that doesn't look like it came from 2012. Push it, share it, break it, fix it. That's how you grow. And stop crying about AI taking your job. Learn to use it. AI won't replace you, but the dev who knows how to wield AI like a sword, they will. You're not stuck. You're just scared. So let me make this simple. If you can Google a bug, watch a crash course, and stay up long enough to figure out why your code's on fire, you're already ahead of half the people quitting after week 2. You want to work at a tech company? Good. Then be a tech company. Build your own product. Build your brand. Learn in public. Tweet your progress. Share your GitHub. You're one project away. You're one DM away. You're one post away from being seen. But you won't get noticed if you don't show up. This isn't magic. It's muscle. It's consistency. Write code, break stuff, ship stuff every single day. So stop scrolling, stop doubting, open that IDE, hit that terminal. This is your time. 2025 doesn't wait. Now go earn it.